Hi there Chic Tags fans, it's Sherry here, and today I want to show you how to add perforated lines to our freebie library pocket cut file. The file on its own cuts great and it folds just fine, but being a type A personality like myself, I really wanted to have my lines as folded as crisply and cleanly as I could. So I decided to recut it a second time and add some perforated lines to it. And so I want to show you how to do that today. So I've opened my file. I also like to zoom, depending on the type of work I'm doing, the more detailed work that I do, I like to zoom in and have just a better look at my file so that I can line things up a lot easier. So yeah, use your zoom tool and I don't have a mouse, so I'm just clicking and dragging down on my mouse pad. So here's our pocket, and we want to add lines here, here, and here. It's going to have 3 folds in it. It's a really great little pocket actually. So what I want to do is I line it up, told you I'm type A, I line it up on lines so that I know that I'm getting my perforated lines as straight as possible. So see, I've lined it up on this line here and this line here. And then this one I'm going to be okay to eyeball it. So this is how you go ahead and you add the perforated lines. Choose your line drawing tool from the side there, and go up to the corner of your pocket, click, and drag the line down to the bottom edge, and let go. There's your straight line. Now we have to perforate it, and in order to do that we need to go back and use the select tool so that we can select just that line, and then we want to go over here to our line style window. You open the window and it shows you different styles of perforated lines. I tried this one and found that it was a little bit too close, so I went with this line for my pocket. And so you click on that, click outside, and you'll see you've got perforated lines there now. And now we want to go ahead and draw the other two. So click on your line drawing tool, click in the corner, and oh, I deselected it I think. Click in the corner and drag it to the other side and release it. Go back to your select tool and select the line. Go back to your line style window and select the proper perforated line. And the last one, line drawing tool. I want to select right in the corner again and go up this time. And like I said, I'm just going to eyeball it here and do the best I can to get it straight. There we go. Back to my select tool, select my line, go back to my line style window, and create a perforated edge. Now if we just left it like this and we try to move our file around to the proper place on the mat like this, you'll see our perforated lines have stayed where we drew them. We need to group this object together, the two objects together. So I'm going to undo it, get it lined back up properly, and I'm going to select everything, and now you'll see down here our grouping option has become available. So now that I've selected it all, I can hit group and it will group everything together. And you'll see now I can move it anywhere I want. And when I select it and go to my cutting tool, just to double check how it's going to cut, you can see that it's going to cut solid lines all around and perforate the lines that I want to fold to create just the perfectly crisp, clean, folded library pocket. So there you go. I hope that helps you. And if you have any tips or tricks, be sure to share them with me, or any questions, be sure to leave them in the comments. I'd be happy to respond the best that I can. Have a great day.